Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Monday, November 7, 2022.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's weather, low of 65, high of 86, sunny, 8% chance of rain.
Today's breakfast, pancakes, sausage links, fruit, and juice. For lunch, we are having chicken bites, fries, roll, and vegetables, fruit, and juice.
Today's announcements. PLP. The district has provided our 2 PLP indicators for this year. You will soon receive the indicators and an example of a PLP using these indicators. Be on the lookout for this. Insights to behavior. District required training. All certified staff should have received an email from Insights to behavior on 10/19. All certified staff must complete the training by December 12th as stated in the email you received.
Important dates. November 7th, we have a faculty meeting. For iReady PD, November 10th, Thanksgiving feast, November 11th, Veterans Day, no school, November 15th, class spelling bee, November 16th, PACE field trip, November 17th, tutoring ends, November 18th, Feel Good Friday, Kona Ice, November 21st through 25th, Thanksgiving break, no school, Monday, November 28th, faculty meeting, and Tuesday, December 6th, school spelling bee.
Saturday birthdays is Gabriella Dow, Jackson Stovall, Robert Gunyan, Zayden Jones, Camelia W. And Monday's birthdays is Adrian Diggs.
AR superstars that are met their goal. In Miss Arch's class, Cameron Andrews, Cedric Clifton. Miss Bertolino's class, Jordan Funyon, Rylan Jones, Johnny Ramos. In Miss Langford's class, Jason Davis. In Miss Moore's class, Rowan Doe. In Miss Waller's class, Kaylee Boggery, Daniel Brown, Elizabeth Foster, Layla Kyles, Maverick Martin, Melanie Martinez, Kennedy Smith.
Question of the day. Miss Overstreet's class and Sabrina asks, why is it so hot in the summer? Sabrina found the answer. The simple answer is sun shines longer in the summer, and the longer the sun shines, the hotter it gets.
Send us your questions. Are you curious about something? Always wondered how something works? Send us your question and it may be chosen for our question of the day to be answered by the research team. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library.
That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Monday.